Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adi Reda Firmansyah, and today I will show you of my project report about how to write a project report, an example of project report. Okay, we have abstract. Follow the format of this sample project in preparing your manuscript. Prepare an informative abstract of up to 200 words based on the complete project. The abstract should provide a concise synthesis of the entire project, including the purpose of the study, main finding, and interpretation of the significance. The abstract should not contain any equation, symbol, and reference. Furthermore, the abstract should be self-contained statement that summarize the entire project. The keyword are style, format checklist, Microsoft Word, LaTeX. Number 1, introduction. Report is limited to 50 pages maximum, including reference, figure, and table. The maximum file size for the electronic version or PDF of the project is 10 megabyte. Short paper are welcome. The number of pages is counted using paper with ISO A4 size and 25 millimeter margin. To submit a project to the ProTagit, students should try best to typeset their project following the style given in this sample report. Okay, number 2, general project style. Title. Student must use the new Roman font throughout the report. All except for the title is 12. The project title must be in bold, word, uppercase. Leave 2 blank lines between the top margin and project title. And leave 2 blank lines between the project title and name of the student. Number 2, student. This is where the line, leave a blank line between the student and their affiliation. Number 3, affiliation. Try to fit the affiliation of the student in one line and put corresponding email address on the next line. Don't leave any line between affiliation. Leave 2 blank line between student affiliation and abstract. Number 4, abstract. No section number is assigned to abstract. Leave a blank line between the abstract and keyword. Number 5, keyword. Select up to 5 keywords which describe the content of your paper. Leave a blank line between abstract and the introduction. Number 3, section. Major heading. Major heading should be placed flush with the left margin, type in bold capital, and identified in Arabic numeral. Leave 2 blank lines between the major heading and the text immediately above it. 1 blank line between the major heading and the text below it. Number 1, subsection. Subheading should be typed in both upper and lower case. Flush with the left margin with the second level of Arabic numeral. Leave 1 blank line above and below subheading. Number 1.1, subheading, subsection. Like the subheading, the subheading should be typed in bold, upper, and lowercase. Flush with the left margin, but should be identified with a third level of Arabic numeral. Leave one blank line above and below the subheading. Try to avoid using sub or higher subsection. Number 4, equation. Including some symbol and equation in the text, the variable name and star must be consistent with those in equation. In equation 1, I use the number this and this an equation. This is the example of equation. And number 5, tables. Table 5 show a typical example of a table. Students shall use 12 times New Roman font in tables. A caption must be given above the corresponding table. Table should be put in the appropriate place in the report. This is an example of the tables. And number 6, figures. Please refer to figure 6 for a typical example of a figure in Pratagit. A caption must be given below the corresponding figure. Figure should be put at appropriate place in report. This is an example of figure. And number 7, conclusion. Do not simply repeat the result or discussion, but prove some overall comment on the finding and their applicability in other setting or application. The discussion of implication should tell reader what the importance of the work is for others. Number 8, acknowledgement. A short section may acknowledge the assistant and source of financial support. Okay, that's my presentation about an example of project report. Thank you.